This initiative is exactly about soils and soil carbon, and it aims at promoting actions to increase the amount of carbon through organic matter in soils to have a positive impact on climate, and not only to lower the effect of climate change, but also to help agriculture adapt better to climate change, because it has an increased amount of organic matter in soils has many benefits, like better storage of water, better nutrient cycling, so many positive effects for agriculture. Anything that increases the giving organic matter to soils, for example through composting or manure, giving back to soils, that helps this organic matter accumulate in soil. So also mixed systems with trees, like agroforestry systems, they are beneficial for soil organic matter and for soil carbon.